Hi, my name is Kelsey Dunn. I'm a rookie to Durham and to junior. I'm from Sudbury. I'm number 55 and I'm a forward. In my free time, I like to hang out with friends, do yoga. I'm trying to get Tegan to enjoy yoga, and I like reading. Something that my teammates maybe don't know about me is that I play the piano and ukulele. So far, living in Toronto, it's not that much different than Sudbury, but the weather is a little nicer here.
1,000 words ain't enough to define a body of, yeah. Caught her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got this, but I got. The lies. Gotta be hard on me now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Same. You think you the deal, you know nothing, babe. I want something real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it will be. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you weren't ready for it. But I